Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried kales with ground beef. Chinese name called 肉沫羽衣甘蓝. The main ingredient we need cut 1 cup of ground beef. And a hand we bought from store is a handful of a bunch of kales. And 4 scallion. And 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut a scallion. This scallion already washed and peeled the bad leaves, and then we cut it right off. We cut from the middle. And we chop it. Try to cut it small. This time we don't cut very small, but cut like this. It's enough. Those are green onion scallion we get. Okay, we cut a kale. This kale I already washed and picked the yellow skin and peel the part of the stem, this part. And then we'll chop it. Try to cut as small as possible. Like if you want to eat the salad, you have to do the same thing to try to cut as small as possible. So it'll be like this, very small. Because the kales have a lot of fibers. So you need to cut it small. After you cut it, cut small, it will taste a lot better. So this is the kale we get. Turn on the stove. Medium flame. Pot it on. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Not too much. And rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, we add 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of ginger. Okay, fry the ginger until it releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell, we add the scallion into it, chop the scallion into it, and also fry until it releases good smell. When the ginger and scallion release good smell, we add the ground beef into it. Okay. So we slowly fry. The color brown, like color you like make brown the meat. We just slowly fry till the fat in the beef go to the oil. We just slowly fry. Slowly fry. When the meat become brown and you can see no raw meat and the fat in the beef and go to the oil. Then we add the kales into it, the chopped kale after it. We fry it. Slowly fry. Just slowly fry. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch black pepper. So it don't add too much. This time you can add probably half teaspoon, but don't add too much. This is the soy sauce. Soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is the salt. We add 1 teaspoon salt to it. When too much, if not enough, you can add it more before the food come out. This is a chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it, don't add too much. And slowly fry until the kale is fully cooked. We can try the kale to see if it's ready or not. We try the kale. The kale is fully cooked, so we turn off the stove. This dish is done. The fried kale with ground beef, this dish is done. Chinese name called 肉沫炒羽衣甘蓝. I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.